Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WebPageTest and measure UX speed problems, complete guide step by step clearly. To install WebPageTest and measure UX speed problems, start by navigating to. Once there, locate the Get Started section in the top navigation menu. Click on the link to access the installation instructions. Choose the version that best fits your operating system. If you are using Windows, download the Windows Installer package. For macOS, you will need to use the command line to install it via Homebrew. After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Ensure that all required dependencies are installed during this process. Once installed, open WebPageTest from your Applications or Programs menu. Next, familiarize yourself with the user interface. You will notice fields to enter the URL you want to test. Type in the URL of the web page you want to analyze. Select the test location and the browser you wish to use from the drop-down menus. If needed, configure advanced settings such as capturing video or setting throttling options. Once all settings are configured, click the Start Test button. Wait for the test to complete, which may take several minutes. After the test finishes, you will be redirected to the results page. Review the various metrics provided, such as load time and first byte time. Pay attention to the waterfall chart to identify bottlenecks. Analyze the recommendations provided to improve your web page's load speed. Take note of specific elements that are slowing down your page. Consider running additional tests at different times or under varying conditions for more insights. Once you have gathered enough data, compile your findings for further action. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to install and utilize WebPageTest to measure UX speed problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.